So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to verify your UF wallet. If you look over here, you can see that my wallet is unverified. So many people has reached out to me on how to verify their account, and it is good to verify your account. Verifying your account will also help to increase the project's liquidity, and not just that, you are not mining an ordinary token, you are mining a coin. So which UFDT you are going to exchange it to USD. So it's better you verify your account. Another reason why you need to verify your account is that if you click on this land drop, some tasks will require, before you'll be able to perform that task, you must verify your account. So it's very good to verify. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use the P2P session. First, you need to set up your P2P. Once you set up your P2P, you are going to buy UFD. So once you come to your P2P, you can see they have a lot of vendors. This first person, the second person, and this one, a lot of vendors. And this particular one, this Press Shy, is more reliable. It's most reliable. You can contact him. Just click on this buy option here. Once you tap on this buy option, you are going to say, let's say you need $2 worth of, so you need $2 worth of UFD, and that $2 worth will, let's assume you say 4,000 naira. 4,000 naira, you can see that 4,000 naira is giving you 2.19 UFD. So you need to click on confirm. So you click on this confirm buy. Also make sure that you reach out to her, call her. She's more reliable. Call her, she will pick your call, and you follow the process, make your payment, and she will then transfer the 2.90 UFD to your account. You now click on this exchange. You can see exchange here. You tap on exchange. We are exchanging our UFD to UFC, so you need to click on this arrow here at the center to exchange it. You tap on it, so the UFD will be at the top, then UFC will be at the bottom. Now you click on mass. I have $2.19 worth of UFD, so this is what I have, and I'm going to exchange it to UFC. You are going to exchange it to UFDSC, and the price is going to be giving 0.018. One UFC is giving you 116 UFD. So I'm going to click on exchange preview here. Preview exchange. Now tap on preview. So you are going to see everything. You're going to see everything. Exchange rate. So you click on exchange. Exchange successful. Can you see? View transaction. Let's just view transaction successful. So now I have exchanged my UFD to UFC. Let's check if my account is verified. Automatically my account is verified. This is the simplest way to verify your account. And if you don't want to go through the process of P2P, you can reach out to me. I will help you to buy the UFD. If you don't want to go through the process, you can use it. Verification is very simple and easy. And if you have not started mining, the link will also be in the video description. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.